In the context of the WUMPUS world environment in artificial intelligence, propositional logic is used for representing knowledge about the environment, making logical inferences, and guiding the agent's actions. Here's how propositional logic is applied in the WUMPUS world scenario. 1. Knowledge representation. Propositional symbols are used to represent the state of the environment, including the presence of the WUMPUS, bits, gold, and the agent's location and orientation. Each percept received by the agent, example, stench, breeze, glitter, is encoded as a propositional symbol, indicating the presence or absence of certain conditions in the environment. 2. Logical inferences. The agent uses propositional logic to make logical deductions based on the information gathered from percepts and its current knowledge about the environment. For example, if the agent perceives a stench in a neighboring square, it infers that the WUMPUS is nearby and may be present in one of the adjacent squares. 3. Action selection. Propositional logic guides the agent's actions by helping it reason about the consequences of different actions and select the most appropriate course of action. The agent may use logical inference to deduce which actions are safe or risky given its current knowledge and the state of the environment. 4. Uncertainty handling. Propositional logic allows the agent to reason under uncertainty, such as when it is unsure about the exact location of the WUMPUS or the presence of pits in neighboring squares. The agent may use probabilistic reasoning or fuzzy logic to assess the likelihood of different scenarios and make decisions accordingly. 5. Knowledge update. As the agent explores the environment and receives new percepts, it updates its knowledge base using propositional logic. New information is integrated into the agent's current beliefs, allowing it to refine its understanding of the environment and make more informed decisions. Overall, propositional logic serves as a powerful tool for representing and reasoning about the complex, uncertain, and dynamic environment of the WUMPUS world. It enables the agent to effectively navigate the environment, avoid hazards, and ultimately achieve its goal of finding the gold and escaping safely.